Hi, my name's Karl Dean. I'm the mayor of Nashville. And first I'd like to thank the U.S. Conference of Mayors along with the American Beverage Association for allowing us to apply for this grant. I'm here at our public square in downtown Nashville. One of the major themes of this administration has been the need to get Nashville more active and to have our citizens eat better. A real passion of mine is to have our citizens confront this issue of obesity in Nashville. Tennessee as a state is ranked number 2 in terms of obesity for adults, number 4 in childhood obesity, and that is unacceptable. We know there's a direct correlation between obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. And so it's incumbent upon us to do whatever we can do to move the dial. And I think if we really focus on this issue, we can. We've done a variety of things. We've done exercise programs in the public schools. I've gone to gym class with students. We've done walks around the city. And then this year we did a challenge, a 100-mile challenge, where we had about 4,000 people sign up and our city walked about 100,000 miles together to begin to fight obesity. And now we're working on a program that will come to a head on November 13th, where we're encouraging as many citizens as possible to come to the public square and to participate in a 5K walk or run, a free event that's all about fun, but it's also about getting more awareness of this issue around the need to be healthier, living, and eating healthier. Our city has received a grant from the federal government to work on this. It is going to remain a central passion of mine and a central part of this administration for the next few years because we need to move the dial on this issue.
Mayor Karl Dean began his public campaign to improve Nashville's health in the spring of 2008, just months after being sworn into office. He hosted the mayor's Let's Get Moving Challenge, a week-long series of events held in conjunction with National Public Health Week, where he challenged Nashville citizens to get active and in the process take advantage of the city's resources for a healthy lifestyle. Mayor Dean's activities that week included participating in a school PE class to emphasize the importance of exercise for children, the first of many times the mayor has put on his sneakers to be a positive role model for our community's youth. Kicking off with a walk on one of the city's greenways, that week in April of 2008 was also the beginning of Mayor Dean's emphasis on walking for better health. He has since walked dozens of neighborhoods and city parks, inspiring thousands of citizens to do the same. In October of 2009, Mayor Dean started a series of monthly neighborhood walks, announcing the initiative during Walk Nashville Week. Over the course of more than a year, the mayor visited all parts of the county to bring attention to the health benefits of walking and the importance of having a walkable city. As part of his focus on health, Mayor Dean has also supported expanding Nashville's parks and greenways, making the city more bicycle-friendly and creating a free bike share program for citizens and visitors.
So it is my pleasure to announce the expansion of Nashville's bike share program with a donation of 100 new bicycles from Regions Bank.
This past spring, the mayor once again issued a formal challenge to Nashville citizens to join him in being active.
Come on in and register.
This time, the challenge was to walk 100 miles in the city's parks and greenways over a 3-month period. Over 4,000 Nashvillians participated in the challenge, and collectively, the city walked more than 100,000 miles. Mayor Dean hosted 29 separate walking events, and students from Metro Nashville Public Schools were some of the most enthusiastic participants. Walk 100 Miles with the Mayor was able to reach so many people in Nashville because it was supported by a number of community partners, including Nash Vitality, the citywide health campaign created from Nashville's federal Communities Putting Prevention to Work grant.
Nearly 2 out of 3 adult Nashville residents are obese or overweight. Obesity-related medical costs in Tennessee were over $1.5 billion in 2008. The federal government has recognized that our country's health epidemic has to be solved at the community level. In response, HHS has awarded over $375 million to 44 communities across this country, and I am very pleased to say Nashville was one of them. Collaboration is key because, like anything else, government cannot solve this issue alone. We can add walking trails and fresh produce stands, but we cannot change people's behavior with those things alone. Working with our corporate and community partners, this grant will allow us to embark on a large public education campaign. Parents need to know that what they feed their children impacts their ability to succeed in school. Young people need to know that exercise or lack of exercise will impact their health as adults.
As the only city in the state of Tennessee to receive one of these grants as part of the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act of 2009, Nashville has developed a now well-recognized brand around being healthy, active, and green. Building on the success of Walk 100 Miles, Mayor Dean issued a new challenge to walk or run a 5K with him on Sunday, November 13th, starting at the Public Square Park downtown. Already, more than 2,500 people and 240 teams have registered for the free 5K event. Again, support from the community is making the challenge possible. The Mayor's Health Challenges are making a difference in the lives of Nashville's citizens. If awarded the 2012 Childhood Obesity Prevention Grant, Nashville will be able to take the Mayor's Health Challenges to a new level by targeting the city's 75,000 plus public school students and engaging them in Kids Walk 100 Miles with the Mayor and a 100 Healthy Habits Challenge. Not only will students have opportunities to get active and walk with Mayor Dean, we will help them make that critical link between knowing why it's important to be healthy and being healthy.
We know that the South and Nashville, this is the battleground for our country on these issues. We have the branding on this issue, we have community buy-in, we have the excitement, and this is a long-term battle, and we want to keep going. And that's why we need this grant. Thank you for your consideration.